CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. Check disk. Alright, let's jump into yet another disk management tool. Check disk. Check disk is a command line utility used to check the file system of a volume for logical and physical errors. Simply put, it helps identify and fix problems with storage devices, such as bad sectors, lost clusters, and directory errors, which can cause system slowdowns, crashes, and data corruption. By running check disk, a user can potentially recover readable information from bad sectors, ensuring data integrity and improving overall system performance. Additionally, using check disk as part of routine maintenance can prevent disk errors from accumulating, thereby maintaining the reliability and efficiency of the computer. To run a basic check on the C drive, you would type chkdsk C:, and then press enter. In this output, the checkdisk command performs 3 stages: examining the basic file system structure, examining file name linkage, and examining security descriptors. It then reports the status of the file system. If errors or bad sectors were found, they would be listed, and additional parameters would be required to fix them. Otherwise, it will report that it found no problems and no further action is required. The check disk command is particularly useful in several scenarios. If a computer is running slowly or experiencing frequent crashes, check disk can identify and fix underlying disk issues causing the problem. When files become corrupt or inaccessible, check disk can help recover the data and repair the file system structures. Regularly running check disk as part of a maintenance schedule can prevent disk errors from accumulating and causing larger issues. By incorporating check disk into routine maintenance, you ensure the health and integrity of your hard drives, leading to improved system performance and reliability. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.